Hello, my lovely loyalties. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today, we're going to be creating a Christmas DIY. So from the thumbnail, you can see that we are going to be making a snowman wreath. This is a glam snowman wreath, you guys. And it is so gorgeous and it could be used inside your home or outside on your front door. Very pretty, very simple, and easy to create. So you're going to need two of those metal wreath forms that you can purchase from the Dollar Tree. They're the smaller ones and they come two in a pack. You're going to need some plastic ties and this microfiber towel. You're going to use the plastic ties to join the two wreaths together, and the microfiber towel, you want to just cut it up in long strips about maybe 1.5 to 2 inches wide. Cut the entire towel up. One towel should be enough to cover both wreath forms. So you're going to just start off just like you would normally be wrapping a wreath, and you're going to use the hot glue to adhere the strips together so that they don't go anywhere, okay? And you're just going to cover both sides of this wreath form. It's very simple. Just keep your eyes out on the video and you will see exactly how I achieve this look. All right, ladies, so once your wreath is covered in the microfiber towel, it should look like this. And then we're going to take one of those jumbo ornaments from the Dollar Tree. As you can see, I'm using a silver glitter one. And you guys, it came with a little dent in it already, but I was going to not use it, but then I thought about it. It actually works perfect because it makes the surface a little bit flat and easier to secure to the top of the wreath. Now this is going to work as our snowman's hat. We're going to use some hot glue and put it on there just like you saw me doing the video, and then we're going to take an extra strip of the microfiber towel, and this is going to act as our snowman's scarf and also help us keep that ornament head securely standing up. And we're going to do all of that using some hot glue. So you're going to place hot glue along the bottom of the ornament and very carefully place the towel up against it, wrapping it around the ornaments, which is now the snowman's head neck, okay? And it will help secure that ornament ball in place. All right, you guys, you see how that turned out very nicely. And now we're going to take some of these decorative balls, these decorative bells, and we're going to use it for decoration on the scarf. Now this is optional. I thought it was a very nice added touch of glam. And the bells also, especially if you're using it on a door, will, give it a nice little jingle whenever you're opening and closing the door. So I thought it was really cute to add this piece to the scarf. Now I'm going to take some adhesive bling wrap, and you can get it from the Dollar Tree, of course, as well as those bells. Everything pretty much comes from the Dollar Tree, you guys. And we're going to cut out a little strip, and we're going to add some bling to our snowman's scarf. And I'm adding the adhesive gems to the scarf, but I'm also adding glue to it because I want to make sure that these gems do not come off, because it is sticker like. I want it to be a little bit more permanent, so we're going to use some hot glue along with that adhesive that comes with the bling. And look how pretty the scarf looks now with that added bling. I think it's very beautiful and very glam. Now this next step, you guys, is totally optional. I'm taking some of those Christmas pipe cleaners, and I'm going to add just a small little strip of it to the back of one side of the scarf, because I want to be able to mold the scarf, or shape the scarf rather, into looking like it's blowing in the wind. Now that's totally optional to you guys, and I'm doing it by adding it down with hot glue. Then I'm taking an extra piece of the pipe cleaners, and I am making a hook on the back of my snowman's head so that I can hang it either on the wall or either outside. And the next step, you guys, we're going to take this little ornament snowman hat from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to hot glue it down to our snowman's head. Of course, it's only right that we do so. So you guys, that is it for the DIY, and this is how it looks outside my home door. It's very nice, very beautiful, and so pretty, you guys. And I'm not just hyping it up, it is really pretty. And you would not have thought that this wreath was less than $10 to create. It wasn't even $10, you guys. I paid $1 for the bells, $1 for the towel, $1 for both of the wreaths, just $1 because it's two in the pack, and then the ornament hat and the hat. So you do the math, less than $10, you guys. Absolutely beautiful and definitely worth the DIY. So if you agree, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, if you notice, my snowman does not have a face, and you guys, that's only because I want it to still look very glam and very high end. But if you think that I should add a face, then please let me know in the comment sections below. Also, I want to share with you guys how it looks inside on the wall in my home. So here is a clip of that here. As you can see, it is very pretty as well as it is outside. I even kind of like it a little bit more. But anyway, you guys let me know, outside or inside, face or no face. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the DIY. And please share it, you guys. Give me a thumbs up and come back and see more wonderful DIYs. I love you all. Have a wonderful and blessed day. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.